Next up, we're doing a side twist ponytail. So let's get started. We're going to sweep all of our hair around to the side of the head. We're then going to separate the hair into 2 strands. And we're going to tie it into a knot. It's that simple. Repeat that process so we've got 2 knots. And then finish off with a hair elastic. We want the knot to be really loose. It looks super pretty. Now spray so there are no flyaways. Looking good. Perfect! That was so easy. I can't believe how quick that was. Now let's look at another one. This is a double knotted ponytail. For this, I've separated the front section of hair and I'm tying the back section into a ponytail. Perfect. Now I'm taking the front sections and I'm loosely draping it across the ponytail and then fixing with a hair grip. I'm doing the same on the other side. This creates a really soft look. It's so pretty. And again, it's super simple. Use a hair grip to fix the second side, and there you have it. Use a bit of spray to get rid of any flyaways. And doesn't that look super pretty? Again, super easy and perfect for summer. Your friends will be so jealous. I love this hairstyle. Now let's do a classy ponytail. I'm going to take the front section of my hair, like so. I'm securing it with a hair elastic. It's secured just behind the ear. Now I'm taking the chunk of hair that is at the nape of the neck. I'm twisting this upwards and taking it around the base of the ponytail that we've just secured. Use a hair grip to pin this in place. I'm now taking another chunk of hair, and I'm doing a very similar thing, twisting it and securing it above the ponytail. Perfect. We should have 1 chunk of hair left. We're going to repeat the process. Twist and secure. Use a hair grip, just like this. Cute! Doesn't that look amazing? I'm using a flower at the base of the ponytail. This is so classy, and again, so simple. You'd never know it took less than a minute. And there you have it, a 3rd summer ponytail. Super pretty.